first thing we want to do is we want to come over here to app.ytchannelbootcamp.com. We're going to get started. Put in your email address. We're going to click on the link. Wait, you're going to have to be in the same browser that you're using when you sign up. So I was in Chrome. So I'm going to come over here and open a tab. So here's where you end up in the onboarding tab. So some people might just know they need a channel or they want a channel, have no idea what the channel is going to be about. One of the reasons they hadn't started. We're going to take you through a conversation that helps you figure that out. You have an interest or passion. You already know exactly what you want your channel to be related to. You just need help defining it. You need some clarity on it. There you go. Got a business. You might want to make it about that. Now, a lot of times, you can fit in several categories. The only really big deal is if you have no idea, because then it's like, this is a miracle for you. But anyway, I have a channel. I'm going to go here. Like, as for influencers, if you already have an audience, and it's still going to take you down a logical conclusion, like, audience for what? Who are your people? What do you do? And a lot of times people have an audience, you don't even know really the details about your audience. Who this is going to help you figure it out. I already have a channel. Help me focus my current direction. Now I do have a channel. I hadn't decided on a direction. I do have a few videos, but I just wasn't sure what angle I wanted to take. I'm going to let this tell me. So let's go here. This channel is to help truck drivers learn ways to make money off duty, not driving. I want to introduce them to things that are easy to understand, not complicated to do, and can be done from the cab of a truck when off duty. Primary things are AI voice, affiliate marketing, and helping local businesses grow their business using Go High Level and other AI tools and digital assets. This takes a mindset shift as well as being introduced to some of these tools in order for them to make a legal transition. Let's see what it gives us after this. Let's dig a little deeper. I really like how focused you are on helping truckers make money in the cab, from the cab. Simple, practical tools, the dial-in strategy that really fits you. I'm curious of how much of this comes from your own experience so far. For example, have you personally made money with AI voice, affiliate marketing, or Go High Level services to help other drivers or local businesses do it? And can you see yourself happily talking about these methods and mindset shifts for every week for the next year? Also, one more thing for the business side. Are you aiming to eventually build a bigger brand that serves truckers nationwide, online, a local to legendary path, or do you mainly want to focus on smaller, tight-knit community of drivers first and grow from there? Let's see. Shall we go for teaching how to? Storytelling, faceless content, text-based, deep dives and investigations. Now let's go with storytelling. What is the end goal? Customers in my service area, sell a product, book calls, consultations, get speaking gigs, build my email list, promote my brand or promote my business brand. I say promote the retire from trucking concept. I mean, to make money, but when is that not a factor? Let's see, how long have we been at it? Oh, let's see what we got. Simple, cab-friendly side hustles for drivers who want options. This angle builds a step-by-step education channel that turns truckers into digital earners. Using AI voice work, affiliate marketing, and simple agency-style services they can run from the cab. The video drives viewers into a structured retire from trucking implementation program, courses, group coaching, target via company drivers and owner-operators 28 to 55 who feel the industry tightening and tired of relying solely on miles. Have 200 to 1,000 for educational tools. If they trust it, will save them time and confusion. Content pillars, carry-ready income systems, mindset and identity shift, tool walkthroughs and set up with me, success path and case studies. Truckers to local business heroes, build a remote AI marketing agency from the cab. This angles position drivers as remote growth partners for small local businesses. This is going to be the tough part, deciding, because all of these are relevant. Ambitious drivers who like talking to people at shippers, receivers, truck stops along their routes, and who want to turn their trucking relationships into $3,000 improvement. Into monthly retainers for local businesses. They're willing to invest $500 to $3,000 improvement agency in a box. Template scripts automations. If it means they can build, it's a tough choice. And then for some people, it'd be easy because you already know you're set on one particular thing. But I like all of these. Value-driven truckers who crave community, mentorship, and a bigger mission than just miles and paycheck. They're willing to invest in a membership, $29 to $97 a month, live retreats and masterminds. See, everything is relevant. But of course, that's what it's giving you, an option of relevant directions to go. Driver transformation stories, movement and lifestyle content, live trainings and keynotes, recorded workshops, keynote style tasks, Q&A, founders and state captain spotlight. I got something called Truckers Disruptors that does this. Choices. I really want to document the movement. This is history in the making. We're going to do it. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I did say I have a channel already. All right. Let's see what it comes up with. I don't have the code written, evidently, where it takes into account if you have a channel name, skip this. So it's still cool to see what channels it come up with, because you might want to do other channels after you get this one going good. Time from trucking movement, trucker freedom, cab to clicks, the digital trucker movement. Okay, it pretty much have 0 views, you might as well say. Link your channel. And the reason to link your channel is so that you can track the milestones and everything. I already did. All right, so now it's going to give me 30 days worth of content. Let's see what it comes up with. And as you can see here, it says applying psychological hooks, creating binge-worthy sequence, generating title variations, setting up your 15-day sprint, but then it's also doing another 15-day set after the sprint. Why most truckers will never retire from the road and how our movement changes that. 3 signs you're a truck driver who's ready for the digital freedom but stuck in the cab. And you see you got 3 options out of the one that's highlighted. The 15-day sprint, how truckers can start a digital income plan in just 2 weeks. Day 3. Case study, how a 14-year driver made his first $500 online in 30 days. That's going to be one of you guys. Or from sleeper birth to side income, real truckers' first digital paycheck. Watch this driver go from 70 hours on the road to his first online sale. I like that. 5 biggest lies truckers are told about staying in the game until retirement. While waiting on your 401k is the riskiest thing. You get the idea. Like all of the titles are killer titles, and you have 30 of them. We get to 30. Let's see if it's still as hot as the first few. You don't have to die in the driver's seat. The invitation to the retire from trucking movement. So as you can see, excellent set of titles. Then from here, you are basically shown that you're going to have the heat to run with and to get the thumbnails, because this takes more AI function usage, burning tokens and everything. But for this 30-day access to use the system, that's going to keep you organized, keep you motivated, keep you away from paralysis analysis, then it's just $19.97. On 2 channels, it's just $35. And if you want a year of access where you can do a channel a month, it's just $97. Pause you real quick. That's the thing. All right, you guys, since, hey, might as well make this a learning experience. So here is probably one of the best ways to address an issue that you find in one of your projects, one of your apps in particular. Now, especially if, like, I have 39 apps and this was done over a year, maybe a year ago. So I can't remember everything that, every way that I set this up to work. So I asked, now you want to put this in plan mode? There's plan mode and there's build mode. When you just doing questions like this, like I can even say, give me a summary of what all this app does, and it'll tell me. But when you ask the questions like that, you want it to be in plan mode. That way it doesn't charge you. And so I asked it instead of just saying change it, because it could be, I couldn't think of a reason, but it could have been that I selected earlier what titles I was going to use. And that's why you couldn't choose at that point. But like, what's the point of showing you the extra titles if you can't choose them? So I didn't really think that was the case, but I did ask instead of just assuming that it should allow me to choose. All right. So I asked it, I'm not able to choose titles here. I said stuff, but I meant to say stuck with the default title. Is that how it's supposed to work? And so then it's going to check and see. It said, let me investigate the title selection bug to understand what's going on before we plan a fix. So it's checking to see is that's how it's supposed to work, or should it actually let me choose? And of course, it was supposed to let me choose. And it told me how big of an issue it was to solve, or how easy it was to solve. It seems to be very easy to solve. So now I'm going to say, see, it says straightforward fix. Database is already set up to do it. Would you like me to switch to build mode? I'm going to say yes. Let's build. And I could just take this off and do it. See if it switches itself. Most of the time it does when it asks. But sometimes it'll just say, I can fix this if you switch it to build mode. And it's going to sit there and wait for you to switch it. Now let's see. It still hasn't switched it here. Okay, it's going to do the plan first. And most of the time I like to leave it in plan, let it give me a response that includes the plan it's going to use to build, as it did right here. Here's the plan right here. I'm gonna go ahead and let you see how long it takes to fix this, and then show you what happens after the fix, which is you'll just need to republish it so that it goes out to, this is called the production environment. This is called development environment. This is called production environment, where you can actually use the app. If you don't republish it, then it never makes it to the production environment. Creating a checkpoint, that means it's done. And it is just like your operating system, where you can revert back to an earlier time. Let's say you install some software, and then the same is true with this. All right. So now we're going to publish it. Just going to come over here, click republish. Now, if you don't see these tabs up here, then you can just click over here and it'll pull it up. Or you just click on this and you'll see this is how you get it up here. Let's come back over here. Here you can see the progression. but when it's finished publishing, it'll notify you. Ta-da! Now it's published. So now let's refresh. Let's go down here and see, can we select different titles? Nope. So we need to, wait a minute. I don't know what happened then. I think I clicked it too many times, but as you can see, we are now able to select different titles. Well, let's make sure. Let's click on it and then go to the day. Oh, from Logbook Laptop. The exact 15-day sprint we use to start digital freedom. Ta-da! Well, let's make sure. Let's generate the script. This is the only way to find out, really, is to go through the motions. Now you can see over here, you have your daily motivation. You have the progress. All right, there's the script. From logbook to laptop. Laptop in just 15 days. Not a fantasy, not quit trucking tomorrow nonsense. A real structured sprint that we've used on the road to start digital income while still in the driver's seat. Cut to host. Both how to work on apps in Replit and how this YouTube channel bootcamp app works.